Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to make an account of snack video. Today we learn how to install snack video from Play Store and how to make an account on it and how we can make videos on snack video. So let's start. First of all, we will go to Play Store, search snack video and install it. Here you see uh, open tab shows there because I already installed snack video on my cell phone, but first time you have to install it first, then open it. As you open this kind of page will appear on your mobile screen. Here we have two ways to log in or make account on snack video. First, continue with Google recommended, continue with Facebook, or use phone or line. Mostly person use snack video by their phone and Google. We will go with phone. It's your choice how to make an account on it. Continue with phone. Enter your phone number. You will have to put your phone number there with country code. I am from Pakistan, so I will put +92 PK and my number. Verify via WhatsApp, verify via SMS. I will verify via SMS. Enter verification code. As you submit, verification code will send to your contact number. See, auto code will auto picked by snack video and my account is created. Here you see my account, my followers, following likes. First you see a tab there, this one. It's a like home button where you see trending videos in your area. Look up is trending and follow. Follow means the videos from that person who you are following. Trending and open videos from open accounts. You can see, scroll up and many videos will appear there. Second is your nearby users who are in your neighborhood are near to you. You see there a distance will also show there, 0.1 kilometer, 0.1 kilometer, 3.4 kilometer. Here you see another tab of plus. As you press plus button, it's loading. It's for that if you want to make a video your own, you will make from here. It's take time for loading. We will wait for our 100%. %, 79, 87, 93 and 100. See, allow snack video to take photos and recorded videos. Allow. Here you see your gallery photos and videos. So 9.2-second video. Now we have a text tab here. Here we